Actual Budget versus Firefly Free. Which budgeting app should you use? Managing your money well can be easier with the right app. So now let's compare Actual Budget and Firefly Free. Both great for tracking expenses and planning budgets, but with different features and styles. So Action Budget is a modern, easy to use budgeting app focused on helping you control your spending with a simple, clear interface. Pros: user friendly with clean, intuitive design, real time syncing across devices, support envelope budgeting method, assign money to spending categories, works on desktop, iOS, Android, and web. Also offers subscription plans with a free trial. Setbacks: subscription based, no free plan forever. Some features require a learning curve for beginners and limited reports compared to the other apps on the market. Firefly Free is an open source, self hosted personal finance manager. It's powerful and flexible, but requires you to install it yourself or use a hosting service. Pros: completely free and open source, very customizable, supports many currencies, accounts, and budgets. Strong reporting and charts, privacy friendly since you control the data. Great for tech savvy users who want full control. Now let's talk about the cons. Requires self-hosting and finding a provider, more complex setup and interface, and not beginner friendly, steeper learning curve. Final verdict: which one should you use? So choose Actual Budget if you want a simple, easy to use app with envelope budgeting and don't mind paying a subscription, or go for Firefly Free if you want full control, customization, and privacy and don't mind some technical setup.